Steamed fish with fermented bean paste, or Taucu, is a dish that my grandmother would regularly make for the family. It's a little spicy, a little salty, and very appetizing. It's also fast and easy. That's because I'm using a chopper while my grandma uses a mortar and pestle. Let's start cooking. Here is what you need for this dish. A whole, fresh white fish. This is barramundi or kimbap law, but this method works for any fatty white fish. If you prefer not to have the head and tail, you can of course use any fish fillet instead. Chinese cooking wine. Fermented bean paste or Taucu. Fermented soybean paste has been the secret weapon in Southeast Asian kitchens for generations. This dark yellow to reddish brown paste is made with yellow soybeans that are cooked, ground, mixed with flour, then fermented and sun-dried in salt water. It's an essential ingredient in Malaysian, Singaporean, and Indonesian cuisines. Red chili. Shallots. I'm using half a red onion here because I ran out of shallots. Garlic. Ginger. First, let's clean the fish. Check for the darker parts in the stomach near the spine. This is a major source of fishiness. Wash this away. If it's stubborn, use a brush or a couple of toothpicks. You can steam the fish as it is, or you can butterfly it for a better presentation. I have a video on how to butterfly a fish. I'll put the link in the description below. Alternatively, you can get your fishmonger to do this for you. Rub Chinese cooking wine all over the fish, including the bottom. This will help get rid of the fishy odor. You can also use shredded ginger. Distribute the shredded ginger evenly over the top and the bottom of the fish. But I'm just using Chinese cooking wine here. Set it aside while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. For the sauce, pound, cut, or blend the white parts of the spring onions, chili, garlic, shallots, and ginger. I'm using a chopper here because it is a lot faster and a lot easier. You just need to cut the ingredients into smaller pieces to help it along. I am adding a little bit of water here to help it chop even better. Blend it till the texture looks something like this. I don't like it to be too fine because I like to see some specks of red chili in the spice mix. But of course, you can have it as chunky or as smooth as you want it to be. To cook, put your pot over a medium heat. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, add in your spice mix. It is important to cook this spice mix over a medium heat because you don't want to burn it. Fry this for about 5 minutes or so till it becomes fragrant and relatively dry. Add in the fermented soya beans, soya sauce, oyster sauce, sugar to balance out the saltiness. Stir all this to combine till all the sugar has been dissolved. Then set it aside. Next, boil some water in your pan. Adjust the heat to medium-high. Then, put in the plate of fish. Cover and steam it for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove the fish and pour away any liquid at the bottom of the plate. This water is another source of fishiness. Remove the ginger if you're using it. Spread the spice mix evenly onto the fish. Then steam it again for another 6 minutes. When done, top it with chopped spring onions. Look at this beautiful steamed fish. The taucu has infused into every bite with that perfect balance of saltiness, sweetness, and umami flavors. The fish is incredibly tender and flaky. This is comfort food at its finest. Healthy, authentic, and ready in just minutes. Grandma knew what she was doing with this recipe. And there you have it, Grandma's fermented bean paste steamed fish. That's fast, easy, and absolutely delicious. This is exactly the kind of simple recipes that busy families need. If you enjoy learning this traditional technique, check out the recommended videos on the screen for another family favorite. And I'll see you in the next one.